So individuals volunteering for Seawheeze are entitled to a Lululemon t-shirt, and I wanted to share with you my 2019 Seawheeze volunteer t-shirt. When I first received my shirt, I was a bit disappointed that it was given to me without the product tag. I typically keep the product tags, just a small token for the shirts that I've collected over the years volunteering, but it's not a big deal. Now, one of the things about this shirt is it has no visible logos of Lululemon or Seawheeze. So aside from the fabric tag, there's no logo. And for men's apparel, you'd typically see 3 lines, which look like LLL, around the shoulder, sometimes stitched in the same color as the fabric, or you'd have logo behind the neck, logo by the left hip, and so none of that is present. This shirt resembles a feel of cotton. It is 70% cotton, and it is a blend with sea-cell and lycra. So this fabric has apparently has seaweed from Iceland embedded into it, which has antibacterial properties. Now, I wanted to show you something. What is this? What is that? And that is a seam. Now, what makes that a big deal? So, Lululemon, it's very uncommon. Maybe I need more education, but it's very uncommon to see seams in their shirts. And so, what was issued was a shirt that was not designed for yoga, which to me is a bit sad. So we have a well-known leading apparel company that uses technical fabrics issued a ordinary t-shirt with antibacterial properties, and it's not designed for yoga or moving around. So that is something I haven't seen before, and it is new to 2019.